Have you ever wondered why technology keeps getting more expensive, even when new models are released every year? Well, Apple has now announced a noticeable price increase for several Mac computers and iPads. Some devices are now more than $200 more expensive than before. But what is the real reason behind this increase? Is it simply inflation, or is something much bigger happening in the technology world? In today's video, we'll explain everything in simple words and helps you understand why Apple has raised its prices during the ongoing AI boom. Apple says the biggest reason behind the price increase is the rising cost of memory chips and storage chips. These are two of the most important parts inside every Mac and iPad. Memory, also known as RAM, helps your device run multiple apps smoothly, while storage keeps your photos, videos, files, and software safe. Without these components, no modern computer or tablet can function properly. But why are these chips suddenly becoming so expensive? The answer is artificial intelligence, or AI. Over the past few years, AI has grown at an incredible speed. Companies around the world are becoming powerful AI systems that can write text, generate images, analyze information, and perform many complex tasks. To run these AI systems, businesses need huge data centers filled with powerful computers. These AI servers require massive amounts of advanced memory chips and high-speed storage chips. As a result, technology companies are buying millions of these components at the same time. When demand becomes much higher than supply, prices naturally increases. This is exactly what has happened in the global chip market. Manufacturers simply cannot produce enough advanced memory and storage chips to meet the growing demand from AI companies. Another important reason is that building new semiconductor factories is not easy. It takes several years and billions of dollars to build new chip manufacturing plants. Even though manufacturers are increasing production, they cannot expand overnight. Until more factories begin operating, supplies are expected to remain limited. Because Apple also depends on these same chips, the company has to pay much more for the parts used inside Macs and iPads. Apple says that higher manufacturing costs are the main reason it has increased prices for several products. This does not mean every Apple device has become more expensive, but many Mac and iPad models are now cost significantly more than others before. Depending on the model and storage option, some devices have increased by more than $200. Apple is now preparing its product for the future of AI. The company is adding more AI-powered features that help users write documents, organize emails, improve photos, summarize information, and completely everyday tasks more efficiently. To support these new AI features, Apple needs faster processors, large memory, and quick storage inside its devices. These upgraded components improve performance but also cost more to manufacture. Industry experts say Apple is not alone. Many technology companies are facing similar challenges because they all compete for the same supply of advanced memory and storage chips. The AI boom is changing the entire technology industry. Just a few years ago, AI was mostly used by researchers and large technology companies. Today, AI is becoming part of everyday life. Students use it for learning, businesses use it to improve productivity, hospitals use it for research, and creators use it to edit videos and produce content. As AI is becoming more common, demand for powerful computer hardware continues to rise. The growing demand affects the price of laptops, tablets, servers, graphic cards, and many other electronic devices. For customers, this means buying a new Mac or iPad may now require a bigger budget. Students, professionals, and creative users who are planning to upgrade their devices may need to spend more money than expected. Some buyers may decide to wait for seasonal discounts, holiday sales, or trade-in offers to reduce the final cost. Others may choose models with less storage if they do not have the higher expectation. Despite the price increase, Apple needs its devices still offers strong value through premium build quality, long software support, powerful performance, and reliable security features. Experts believe that the AI industry will continue growing rapidly over the next several years. If demand for memory and storage chips remain high, other technology companies could also increase prices in the future. On the other hand, if chip manufacturers successfully increase production and supply improves, price may eventually become more stable again. However, that process could take time. The current situation shows how one major technology trend can affect millions of customers around the world. Even if someone never needs AI directly, they may still pay more for the laptop or tablet because the demand of AI hardware has changed the global supply chain. My opinion is that AI is bringing amazing innovation that can make life easier, but technology companies should also try to keep their products affordable for everyday users. It will be interesting to see whether future improvements in chip production can help reduce prices while continuing to support the growth of AI. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this easy to understand technology update, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Newsstream for more simple and informative news videos.